Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in this video we're going to look at how we use the file transfer and the chat feature inside of Contribute Cloud. So what I've done is I've started a session already, as you can see, and my chat box is this icon down the bottom of the page. On my iPad here, I've joined as a participant or as a student, and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to send a message to the teacher. Now the chat isn't peer-to-peer chat, it's purely group chat, so everything that the students do write is seen by everybody, and that's done intentionally. We don't want the students kind of chatting to themselves in the software. So I'm going to click on the chat box and I'm going to send hello. I've pressed send on that, and as you can see down the bottom of the screen here, the icon has turned green, and if I click on that, you can see that Andy the participant has sent the message hello, and if I open here, I can send back hi. Okay, so I've sent that to the teacher there. The teacher sent that, and that obviously appears on my student device as well. Now, the real benefit of the chat is the actual file transfer capabilities. So not only can I send links to the students, so if I wanted to send them a link to a website to have a look at, I could do that through the file transfer. I can also send files. So to do that, and it's two-way, the students are actually able to send from their devices to the teacher as well. So we've got full bi-directional communication using the file transfer. I'm going to select the option here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a picture using my iPad, and I'll just take a picture of the man here on my screen. So I've selected that. I'm then going to use the photo, and that's then going to send that across. There you can see my attachment is there. So if I then click on the view attachment, there is the image that I've just sent across. Okay, so file transfer is perfect for teacher delivering activity to student, student completing activity and sending it back to teacher through the system. And you're able to then save that file. I could right click and I could save it either to my cloud storage, to my Google Drive, it doesn't matter. So I can deliver files, links, as well as messages from Contribute Cloud out to my connected students. If you found this video useful, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.